Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I hope you are all well. Today, I'm going to guide you about a video editor that you can easily use to edit your YouTube videos or Instagram Reels. You must have seen many other video editors, but this one is completely free. Let's move towards our video. First, you need to search for VSDC Video Editor on Google and open the first link. When you click on the download button, a page like this will open in front of you. Now you have to click on the video editor to download it. When you've downloaded it, now let's see how we can install it. And I'll select English and click OK. Once you click on Next, it will prompt you to agree. After this, and you can install it by clicking Next. It will be installed, and in this way, it will be open. You will see an interface like this. Now, to create any project, you'll need to click on Blank Project. Once you click Finish, you can create any project here. And then a window like this will open up for you. From here, we can import into this. Now you can drag any file here and edit it. I have imported it by dragging and dropping it. We can click on this blade to cut it. In the same way, after trimming a bit further ahead, we can delete it. Look, it has been deleted from my side. You can move the mouse cursor slightly forward from the starting side by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and the bracket keys on the keyboard. You can trim the video from the last. Now we can add filters to the video. If you want to add a filter, you need to click on Video Effects and then click on Quick Style. After clicking on Quick Style, you can add any filter from here, like I'm adding these three. Besides that, you can also adjust according to your preference, like if you have options here for brightness, color, and temperature. Now, if we want to add music to it, we have two ways. One is this one where you can simply drag and drop the app. You can see how I easily dragged and dropped to add music. Apart from this, another way is that we will click on the music button here and select our file, then our music will be added. Now, to add text underneath this, you'll need to click on the T button. After clicking on it, you can see that after clicking on the Finish button, I am dragging to add text. To add the green screen, we will first add it here. Then go to Video Effects, click on Transparency, and after clicking on this pencil, click on the video to add chroma key. Now our video is ready for export. Let's export it. We need to click on the Export button, then click on Continue. After that, this video will be exported. And if you like the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.